Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can sort by date within your sheets or project sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your project sheet and let me go with that project sheet here. So I would recommend to go with the table view for this, guys, because table view gives you access to these columns. You may sort them, for example, these entries and cells by a specific field or parameter. So let me switch to the table view, and here, guys, simply head over to the start date or end date or modification date you would like to go with. So let me go with the start date for this sheet here. And now I would like to sort these entries here, guys, from oldest to newest by date. To do that, click into these three dots next to start date and simply select, let me find it. You will need to find sort rows here. Sorry, hover your mouse over sort rows and select one of these options. For example, sort from oldest to newest. You may use the shortcut Shift A for that. And that is going to sort your entries according to that order from the oldest, as you can see, which is in this case here 6th October, and to the newest, which is 25th October. So from oldest to newest, and you may also sort from newest to oldest if you like, and you may apply that for any other column here as well for the end date, modification date. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.